I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings.
Flood warning in effect from late tonight until further notice. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Santee River near Jamestown. When? From late tonight until further notice. Impacts at 12.0 feet. Several dirt logging roads are impassable. Additional details at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. The stage was 8.5 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Sunday morning and continue rising to 12.9 feet early Tuesday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 10.0 feet.
Love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot